Hi everyone, Happy New Year. I just wanted to say hi and just do a quick little update video for you all, just so that you can kind of know what to expect from me just in the next little while. As most of you know, this year I'm taking a career break from my work. I haven't got an end date for it, so it may be indefinite. And I'm going to be focusing full time on Elly's Everyday on my YouTube channels and a few other resources that I'm going to be developing, and also setting up my website, which I have wanted to do for a really long time. It will be so good to have my own home on the internet where I can put all of my resources together. You'll be able to go there and it'll be like a hub of finding out all of the things that I'm doing and the stuff that I've got available. So I just wanted to let you know that this is my plan for the year. I'm going to be doing this full time, which is really wonderful, but I'm not quite finished at my day job yet. I'm finishing there in late January, and I've also got something else that's happening in February for a week or two. So I'm going to do my best to do as much as I can in that time, but on top of work it's a bit tricky. But by the end of February I will be all systems go and I'll be really getting very regular with my videos and everything then. So thanks everyone, I just wanted to let you know what I'm doing basically. If you've got any questions or any video suggestions or anything like that, let me know. I have got a huge list of videos that I want to do. Ones that I've been collating over the years. You know, every time I get a good idea or a suggestion, I record everything. So I do have a lot to get through, and a lot that I think you're going to find really helpful this year. So I really look forward to it. Thanks again everybody, I hope you're well, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.